Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about data validation, and I'm going to use some formulas, and also I want to use the length function here. So I want to, it's my order number, so these are 8 characters. It should not be less or more than 8. So I just select this and I come here to data under data validation, and here I choose the text length. I have here options. I have maximum, minimum, but I choose equal to. It should be 8, not more or less. For that, okay. You can see I want to bring changes here. I just want to remove this 2 and enter. You can see here, this value does not match the data validation instructions defined for this cell. You want to retry? No, you don't want. Cancel. Choose the order quantity. I just use the formula and I select this. Come to data validation and I choose custom. Here I can type my formula. For example, I use an if function here. If the order quantity is more than 7, so it is true. If it's not, it's false. Just write here equal sign if, so I should select the area. If it's greater than 7, so it's true. If it's not, it's false. Okay. So after that, I come here to circle invalid data. You can see these are invalid because these are less than 7 orders, and every account manager have to more than that. So that's it about using the formula and the text length function. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.